Hello friends, welcome to this class. So I asked to find x in this question. Solution. Let's write down equation 2 to the power of x divided by 12 all 1. This is the question we're asked for x. So I decide to add 1 here, but it doesn't change anything here. There's 1 divided by 1 remains 1. Let's cross multiply. So 1 times 2x to the power of x remains 2 to the power of x. 12 times 1 remains 12. And from this, we can decide to apply log on both sides. Now apply log on both sides. So remember, when we have log a to the power of b, the same thing as b log a. So if we apply this here, we're going to have x log 2 for log 12. Okay, so this is what we are going to have. So recall that we can actually express 12 as 4 times 3. So we can express 12 as 4 times 3. Or even, to make it better, x log 2 is equal to log, what is 4 is the same thing as 2 times 2, 2 times 3. So if this is what we are having, you can decide to remember this law, a to the power log a times b for log a plus log b. So irrespective of how many multiplications we have, we decide to take the summation of all this. So x log 2 is equals to log 2 plus log 2 plus log 3. So this is what we are having. And if this is what we are having, we can decide to divide both sides by log 2, divided here by log 2, divided here by log 2, divided here by log 2. So since we divided log 2 on both sides, so log 2 divided log 2, I just left with our x. So log 2 divided by log 2 is 1 plus log 2 divided by log 2 is 1 plus log 3 divided log 2. So this is what we have. But remember, when we have log a dividing log b, it can be written as log a base b. So we'll apply this. We'll divide log a by log b is the same thing as log a base b. So applying that here, we're going to have our x as equal 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 3 is 2. So this is the value of our x. So let's check if this is correct. So we want to check if this will be correct. So 2 to the power of what's our x? 2 plus log 3 base 2. Divided by 12. They're going to give us 1. So, and you know, when we have a to the power of m plus n, and written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So from this, we have a to the power of m plus n is the same thing as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So applying that here, we have 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 all divided by 12. Is that going to be 1? We'll recall when we have a to the power of log b is a, that's going to be equal b. So apply this law here. So we have a to the power of log b base a is going to be equal b. And here we have 2 to the power of log 3 base 2, that's going to be equal 3. So 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 2 is 4 times 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 is going to be 3, because this 2 squared is 4 times, this is going to be our answer here, 3 divided by 12. Will that be equal 1? And we know that 4 times 3 is 12, and divided by 12, that will be 1. So we see that the left hand side equal the right hand side. So that means our x is equal to plus log 3 base 2. Thank you for watching. Ensure you like and subscribe.